So you might be in a position where for some reason TikTok just ends up continuing just to close out of itself every time you go and open it up. Maybe it just comes into this panel, maybe it just keeps closing out, or maybe it just gets stuck on that Apple logo or just the TikTok logo right that, and that gives you the issue. Now, the reason why this could be happening, there are tons of reasons why this specific case might be happening. The first thing you want to try though, is you want to make your way over to your settings application of your phone, whether it's an Android, iPhone, you want to make your way over to your settings application. You then want to go ahead and make your way over to your general settings, and you just want to get into your storage settings. Now what you want to do is make sure that your phone is not almost out of storage. If your phone is literally almost out of storage, well, that can probably be the issue. So what you want to do is just clear out your storage, delete some apps, delete some photos, whatever you can, and that will end up fixing the situation probably for a lot of people out there. Now let's say you have enough storage like I do, but you're still opening up TikTok and you're still getting into this little prompt where it's just not letting you go through and actually just closing by itself. Well, another thing I'd recommend doing is updating your TikTok application. So go inside of your app store like this, find your TikTok application. For us, it's right here. You can search for it too. And what you want to do here is if there's an update panel right there, just go ahead and update your version of TikTok. Again, that is probably going to be the way it's going to fix it for a majority of people out there. And that is probably what I'd recommend doing as well. Now, let's say you do that and that is still not working. Well, the next thing I would recommend you doing in this specific case is making your way over to websites, just searching up like TikTok down and just kind of look that up online. So I can just go like this. And you'll find usually downdetector.com is the best one that I usually go to. And what you want to do is seeing if a lot of people are commenting at the same time that TikTok is down. So you can see right here, ironically, TikTok does kind of seem like it's down right now. You can also make your way over to their main page like this, and it'll go and give you a list of everything that is down right now. So it looks like HostGator's down, looks like Instagram was down for a little bit too. So you can scroll through here, and if TikTok, like how it is now, there's a huge spike of it pretty much being down, well then you can probably rest assured that TikTok is down. There's really not much you can do as of that point. You're pretty much just going to have to wait until they officially fix it. So those are a few ways to fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.